I'm Heidi Hewitt, AutoCAD Technical Marketing Manager with Autodesk, and I'm speaking to Robert Bell, Design Technology Manager with Sparling. Robert, in a large corporation, if you are installing AutoCAD and you want it to start up for users in a specific way, how would you control that? Is there a way you can kind of automate that or customize it?
Well, it's an excellent question because there are deployment tools that allow you to tweak the way that AutoCAD would start, but that doesn't really work all that well in many environments. And so it's important to be able to figure out how you can get AutoCAD, once it's been installed to the desktop, to wake up and know how it's supposed to be configured. And one way that you could do that is a bootstrapping technique. Now, we had discussed earlier about ACAD.lisp file, and that's an excellent mechanism actually for determining whether or not things are right for the user when they first start up AutoCAD. So you have ACAD.lisp, simply look at the profile that's started. Now, if it's not the profile that it's supposed to be, have AutoCAD go out and find an external ARG file that you've written for the profile, and it loads that up automatically. When it loads that profile up, the user gets all the tools that they see and they need to know or need to be able to use in their environment, and that happened even though you've just freshly installed AutoCAD on the user's desktop. So this is a great way to handle deployment across a corporation. It doesn't matter how much effort is put into the deployment process itself, because AutoCAD will see that it isn't configured correctly and boot itself the way it needs to be done.
So it's really a way to ensure consistency and to just provide users with the environment that you want them to have.
Absolutely, because we know that in a corporation, whether you're supporting 20 users or 200 users, that when they call you up with a problem and you can't see their desktop, if they've really changed it, it's easy for you to say, okay, you need to reset it back to a particular profile, and do you still see the problem? And you can step through the problems with them over the phone.
That is a great point. So as a CAD manager, it's in your best interest to do this, isn't it?
Yes, you want to have a profile that you know is good.
Yeah, good point. Great. Thanks, Robert.
You're welcome.